today I'm going to show you this Philips Tower Fan. Now this one here stands at almost a meter tall, so 105 centimeters, so this is gigantic, and you can see that on my kitchen table, and this is just huge. It's a fan, so I don't know how much it is to show you guys, but it is coming in the box like that. It does have the plastic end cap to stop it from rattling. Okay, so out of the pack, we've got the fan body, got the 3-pin cable, a 3-pin socket for the UK user like me. Now this is me without reading the instructions, so please bear with me. I'm sure we can work it out right. So to half the circle, there's only one way it will go together. It's not a perfect half circle, so there's only one way it will go in. Then put this twisting back on. Obviously for transportation they want it to be in a cylinder shape, so it saves space. At home we still need the base to carry the weight and make it stable. Okay, so a bit of a close-up. The mechanism basically 2 half circles that you click together and then spin the nut on top to hold it in place. At the back of the machine right here, you can see a little kind of a flower logo with a dropper bottle. Now this is where you put your fragrance. Now let's say if you want your room to smell like lavender, then you put a few drops of lavender oil there, you push it in, and it's supposed to circulate the air out and help your room smell nice. And with low power devices, there should be no reason why they don't give you a longer cable. For a tower fan, you have sure got a thick booklet, instruction booklet, warranty book. Oops. It does come with 2 AAA battery. Now it's always nice to have a remote for your fan, because let's say you're in bed or in the couch and then suddenly you don't need it, you can change it. There is a handle, a recessed handle on the back of the fan for you to carry it around. Alright, so you got your swing. You can always turn it off so it doesn't swing anymore, or you can turn it on. So this is now locked in position. So you press it for 3 seconds. Let's unlock the function. Got a timer button, which I was talking about. You've got 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. Oh, that is quite clever actually. 7. It's just an additional of the hours by the lights. I think that's really cool. And then you have your sleep mode, and you got your kind of a comfort mode. And then back to fan mode. Now fan, you got your lower power, medium power, and your max power. Now, do I say this is whisper quiet? At the louder setting, no. I can actually hear a lot of fan noise. At the lower setting, yeah, not bad. Don't really hear much from this. Can I manually turn it? Oh yeah, turn the bass as well then. Now this is the lowest setting, and I am at far end of the kitchen. And yeah, it's a quite nice cool breeze. Now this one is noisy as well, but it's a different kind of noise. So this one is more like noise, but this one is more like a humming kind of a noise, much lower frequency. I think if you do fall asleep, you might forget about the noise which is there.
This is a Philips Tower Fan with aromatherapy. And as you can hear, it's nice and quiet. It's on low at the moment, but I'm right next to it with the phone, and it's not overly noisy at all, even though I'm right up close to it. And it's got onboard controls and a handy remote control. The onboard controls are touch sensitive. That's it on high. That's the fan speeds. You've got the modes, you've got night time, and you've got forest mode basically. It's a variable speed and it feels more natural because the winds change speed outside. And also when you put that in oscillation, it's a brilliant combination. And you get the timer switch there. It's 1, 2 and 4 hours. And you can switch to oscillation. So you can share the air with the whole room. I'll wait till it turns back round. Put it to static just now. You can lock out the control panel so that kids, partners, anybody who doesn't want the same setting as you basically can't operate the top. Now the remote's nice and responsive. It does everything that the top panel does. Changes speeds, etc. Controls the oscillation. Just does everything that the top panel does, plus it's got the lock. Now wait till you see this feature. I've never seen this on another phone. I think it's brilliant. There, down there. A little pad in the holder. And you just pop it in and you can put any aromatherapy oil of your choice. And at the moment I've got pine and sandalwood, which smells really natural. If you put that on with oscillation in the forest set, it's just like being in the forest. You can put lavender in for the bedroom, or say fresh cotton or fresh linen in if you're wanting to invigorate the house. But either way, it's absolutely brilliant. Effective cooling, nice and quiet, aromatherapy and a small footprint.